Have you ever sat down to work, scroll through your phone for an hour, and then wonder, why did I waste another day? It's frustrating, right? You feel like you should be productive. You have big goals, big dreams, but somehow you're stuck. Here's the truth. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack talent. It's that your day, your environment, and even your brain are quietly working against you. And the good news is, you can fix this starting tonight. Why productivity fails. Let's get real for a second. Productivity isn't just about willpower. Most of us fail because of three invisible traps. One, distraction overload. Your phone, your notifications, the endless scroll, it's designed to steal your attention. Two, energy mismatch. You try to do your hardest work when your brain is tired, or you wait for motivation that never shows up. Three, unclear priorities. You have a to-do list a mile long, but no clue what actually matters. Here's the thing. Knowing why you're unproductive is only half the battle. You need practical fixes that actually work tonight. Step 1. Empty your mental backpack. Before you sleep tonight, write down everything swirling in your head. Tasks, worries, random ideas. Don't organize it yet. Just get it out. Why? Because when your brain is juggling 50 thoughts at once, it can't focus. Think of it like trying to run a marathon while carrying groceries, a backpack, and your laptop. You'll never get anywhere fast. Once you've written it down, pick one small task for tomorrow. That's your victory. Not 5 tasks, not 10, just one. Step 2. Set tiny, impossible-to-fail wins. Next, shrink your to-do list to ridiculously small steps. Instead of write 2,000 words, aim for write 100 words. Instead of clean the whole house, start with clear this one table. Here's the magic. When you win a tiny battle, your brain gets a hit of dopamine. You feel progress. You feel momentum. And that momentum, it's addictive. Productivity isn't about grinding endlessly. It's about stacking small wins until the big wins happen naturally. Step 3. Use your energy, not the clock. Another mistake, working on hard tasks when you're exhausted. Your brain isn't a machine. You get tired, you lose focus, you burn out. The fix? Pay attention to when you feel most alive. Morning, afternoon, evening. Figure it out. Schedule your hardest task then. And when you're low energy, do something light. Emails, organizing, planning. It's not lazy, it's smart. You're working with your body, not against it. Step 4. Cut the motivation trap. Here's a hard truth. Waiting to feel motivated is a trap. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like the weather. Instead, build momentum through action. Start with one small step. Open that document. Pick up that notebook. Just start. Action sparks motivation, not the other way around. Remember, action is your superpower. Motivation is just icing on the cake. Step 5. End your day with intention. Finally, end your day with a simple ritual. Review tomorrow's one main task, prep your workspace, and give yourself permission to rest. When you sleep knowing exactly what your first win will be, you wake up with clarity instead of dread, and clarity is the secret weapon of productivity. Let's recap. 1. Empty your mental backpack tonight. 2. Pick one tiny, impossible-to-fail win. 3. Work with your energy, not the clock. 4. Stop waiting for motivation. Start with action. 5. End your day with a clear plan for tomorrow. Do these 5 steps tonight, and I promise you'll notice the difference tomorrow. One small change compounds fast. So, here's my challenge. Tonight, write down your mental clutter. Pick that one task and start. Just one small step. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need a new app. You need clarity, momentum, and consistency. Let's improve together. Tonight, not tomorrow. Subscribe for more.